Hi YouTube. So I got my hair braided under the cap and I have a braid going across. That's my leave out. And here I'm using Outre. It's called Quick Weave and her name is Dominique. It is a half wig that I purchased at my local beauty supply store for $20. And it has the combs, as you can see. And it has the adjustable band to it. But I didn't have to adjust anything. It actually fit pretty well on my head without adjusting anything. So yeah, this curl is so pretty though. Look at it. So what I'm going to do is finger comb it because you don't want to put a comb or brush to it because it is synthetic and you don't want to mess it up. So I'm just finger combing it all the way through to get it to look more natural looking. And now I'm going to take that braid out so I can see what my leave out is looking like. And as you can see, it's curly, so it's going to blend in really good with this half wig. And I'm just going to keep, you're going to see me play with these curls a lot through this video. But that's what you want to do. You want to, get it looking natural. Finger combing and finger combing it. You see how tight these curls is? I don't really like my curls to be that tight. So I'm just trying to loosen them up a little bit. Play with it, And be careful, like I say. Now we're going to work on these edges. I'm using the 24-hour edge tamer. I buy it in a small container because its edge control dries out so fast to me. And I also purchased this cool little edge brush from my beauty supply store. And I'm just brushing my baby hairs and then I apply my edge control. So this is what it looks like on my head. And like I say, I had to slow it down for you ladies. This is before I style it, but I had to slow it down for you ladies because to show you that this curl is bomb. It looks like virgin hair, but we all know it's not virgin hair. But it's going to look like virgin hair for about a week. So it's so pretty. And once again, this is Outre. It's a half wig. And this is probably one of the styles I would probably do, My leave out looks terrible, but not that bad. But yeah, I had to slow it down just so y'all can get a good look at this beautiful curl pattern. I love it. So now that my edges are laid, I am going to section off my hair into two parts because I'm doing an up, half down style. So yeah, you want to make sure you're very careful with this. Because like I said, this hair is cheap. So yeah, I'm making sure. I didn't even flat iron my leave out. Why would I do that if my hair is curly? So yeah, I'm just putting it in the bun. Oops, it broke. Like always. I'm keeping it in the bun the way I'm wrapping my hair holder around. Because I'm not using any Barbie pins either. So yeah, put it in the bun. And I'm playing with those curls some more. Oh, this is so cute, girl. So quick and so easy. I love it. So this is the finished look. And like I say, I love this style. This is my go-to style. It's very affordable. So ladies, please subscribe. I am new to the YouTube world, but I'm telling you, I am a beauty on a budget. All my tutorials is going to be me focus on how to look amazing, and still be in an affordable range, baller on a budget. That's what I call myself. Beauty on a budget, baller on a budget, whatever. Just subscribe, And thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I hope you love this look. Comment. And yeah. See you guys around. I hope you guys like me.